My name's Steve Fox. I'm a founder and director of Window Cleaning Warehouse. We supply window cleaners internationally with all window cleaning systems, kits, all the way from squeegees and mops to top of the range high modular carbon fibre poles, along with the water purification systems and van systems. We realised we were lacking in design abilities, which we were currently outsourcing to third parties, but that didn't help us internally. So the KTP gave us a way to bring someone in, have the backing of the university, and help us to hit our design goals and work out products we wanted to achieve and sort of build.
A knowledge transfer partnership is a partnership between business and a university where you're exchanging knowledge. Almost all of our research is applied research, and so that link with industry is really invaluable to allow you to sharpen your tools and to make sure that what you're doing is of relevance.
Here at Cardiff Met, we are developing this expertise in many different strands. So the initial project was for us to look at how they could actually start manufacturing their own components. To do that, you have to have a design process. So how can we help them develop a human-centered design process? For an organisation to invest in that level of research, that's quite expensive. So actually, we become their safety net, don't we? Because they can then tap into very particular bits of research that we have to offer and our expertise. Well, it's not just us being a keeper of it. We then impart that and we develop them and their training as a consequence of it. Because the key attribute to a KTP is sustainability beyond the project. So it can't just be about us coming in, imparting expertise, walking away, and then the organisation being none the wiser. We have to be ensuring that whatever we're developing them in, whatever we're sharing with them, that they are able to carry that on in a sustainable way beyond the project. And that's the main purpose of it.
So from the KTP, we designed our water-fed van systems and trolley systems, but the technology we learned on and the methods we learned from doing the KTP has expanded our business exponentially, because we suddenly brought a lot of design knowledge into what we were doing to help us create successful products, which has helped us overtake our competition in a load of areas. Our turnover's gone up sort of 20-30% year on year, just because of what we did in the KTP has fed into all our sort of other avenues and departments. I think the KTP is without a doubt the best thing we did. We've since taken on another KTP in another completely different area. We're constantly pushing to come up with new products, new avenues and new areas that we might not have seen before. Because of the KTP and that knowledge channel, we can tap into that and then embed that into the company and help us grow as people and as a business.